Hello everyone and welcome to Saptora. This video is on a very interesting topic, that is how to make eco-friendly Ganesha using very simple material that are easily available in your home. So let's start. For this, first you need a bowl and take 2 cups of wheat flour. After this 2 cups, add 2 teaspoons of turmeric, along with this we take 2 spoons of powdered sugar. The reason of mixing powder sugar is to increase the life of Ganesh idol so that you can keep it for 7 to 10 days. We'll mix all of them nicely. Now, after this, add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. And again, mix it very well. After mixing it well, add a cup of milk in this. Okay. Do not add it much. Now, after adding the milk, just check the consistency. Okay. Now, and again mix it quite well. If required, you can add more milk to make a soft dough. Use your hand and try to make a very soft dough. As you can see, if you are quite young, you can take help of some elder person. Okay. Now, let's start the process of making Ganesha. Now, we'll make small balls of different sizes for the different part of Ganesha idol. First, we'll take a section. So this will be for base. So this section will be for stomach. This will be for chest. Then we'll make one more ball here. This is for face, which is appears to be quite big in size. Then we'll make more balls for leg and hands. So here we made one big big ball for leg, okay, and 2 small ones here for hand. Here I have more dough is left over here, so we'll just keep it safe. Okay, just apply a little amount of oil over it so that the layer won't dry, and then you can keep it on some container, on a airtight container, or you can wrap it with like a plastic something, okay, and keep it safe. First we make base. So take this ball, just press it very nicely. On top of this base, we need to add leg. So take this ball and make a nice cylinder by rolling it down between your hands. Mm. If you are not able to roll it down on hands, you can just keep it on base and roll it. Okay. So in this way also. Then the corner, try to make this corner quite thin on both sides. Okay. So this is for feet, making them thin. This is for feet. Okay. Once you're done, we'll just keep this section here and make it look like this. Make it a little bit more longer. Now take little amount of milk and apply here on base to make it wet, and then paste your this leg over here like this. Over to this, we'll place one more ball for stomach. So in this part, so again, take some amount of milk and apply over here. Okay. Now, and we'll just keep it here. To fix it more, just take a stick. You can take a toothpick, and here I'm fixing this up. So just make a stick over here and place this bowl over to it here like this. Now it appears to be more stable. Define chest part. Here we take a small ball and just raise it quite a bit, and then again take some milk, apply over here, and paste it in this section. You can press it nicely from the back side to fix it up. Now over to this, we'll add a head. So take a sphere and roll it down again. Now, what you need to do for head to make the trunk like this, and see this section from here to stretch it quite a bit. Take some milk for smoothness, apply it over here. And again, you can roll it quite a bit. Like this, get the shape of face. Now, after this, you need to fix this face over here. Fix head, take a stick, push it here on head, and then place your head over here on this spot. Pull this trunk little bit up and fix it nicely. And you can give a little bit more shape to it. Okay. And this way, it is done. Now after this, you need to add ears. Again, before adding ear, we'll add hand. So if you remember, we have made two small ball for hand. So let's go and make a cylinder out of it. Okay. So you can roll it between your hands, or you can also roll it down on your board in this way. Just you can roll it down here on board. Follow the same process for both the sphere. You need to make them equally long. This way you need to make two cylinder. Here, as you can see here at base, they appears to be quite narrow. So this is here we can make palms out of it. Now we need to attach hand. To attach hand, just apply some amount of milk over here. Then you can attach in this part. Before that, take a stick, a small piece of stick, and over here, over to it, just move your hand like this and fix it in this manner. Okay. Now this part, this palm of hand appears to be in this position, which is to give blessings to all the people. Hmm? So in this way, you can make this hand. Now, the another one will follow the same process. First, you apply milk, then piece of a stick you need to insert over here, then take this section here like this, and then press it to fix it. Then, and this one, the Ganesha carries laddu in this arm, which is a left hand. So we'll just fold it in this manner. And take milk and press all the joints quite very nicely so that they will be fixed. Now, as we done with hand, now need to make ears. Now, to make ears, take two small balls like this and just roll them down and press them like here. So here, one side they appears to be quite thick. So from this side, we'll attach this ear with head. Once you're done making Ganesha, you need to paste it here on side of the head. Apply milk and like this, you can paste it. Now, take the stick and insert here from back side and setting this. Okay, so it will get fixed. We'll follow the same process for another side. On top of the hat, I'm adding this small crown here. Just apply some milk and paste it in the middle. This. Then we use to black pepper over here to make eyes. Just need to push it inside. To make the look, taking rice grains and we'll just push it here on the forehead. So here I'm pasting 3 rice grains. Then we'll define some texture here on trunk like this. Then here, just make a small ball to define laddu over here. And at last, but not least, we just place a mushak or a mouse over here, and our Ganesha is complete. Make this eco-friendly Ganesha and celebrate the festival. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all.